Little Storyteller.
Once upon a time, in a bright yellow house with a big blue door, lived a little boy named Leo. Leo loved to play with his fluffy white bunny, Snowball. One sunny afternoon, Leo's dad, a kind scientist with funny goggles, was working in his sparkly lab in the basement. There were beakers bubbling with colorful liquids and wires that blinked with light. Suddenly, there was a little pop and a fizz. Leo ran downstairs. "What was that, Papa?" he asked, his eyes wide with curiosity. His dad smiled. "Just a little experiment, Leo. Nothing to worry about." But something strange had happened. Later, while playing in his room with Snowball, Leo tripped over a toy car. Instead of falling, he walked right onto the wall. He giggled as his feet stuck like magic. Snowball looked up with wide, curious eyes, his little nose twitching. Leo carefully took a step, then another, walking all the way across the wall. It was so much fun. Leo practiced walking on the walls, up and down, round and round. He even tried walking on the ceiling. But sometimes, he didn't stop when he wanted to, and bumped his head gently. It was a little tricky to control. One time, he walked all the way up to a high corner of his room, and then he didn't know how to get down. He wiggled his toes, trying to step back onto the wall, but it felt too far. Snowball hopped over to his favorite toy box, and nudged it with his nose. The toy box had soft, colorful blocks inside. Leo had an idea. "Snowball, you're so clever," he said. He carefully reached down, and gently pushed a block off the shelf onto his bed below. Then another, and another. Soon, there was a soft pile of blocks, like a colorful little mountain. Leo carefully walked down the wall, until his feet reached the soft blocks. He stepped onto them gently, and then onto the floor. "Hooray!" he cheered. Snowball hopped excitedly. Leo learned that even though walking on walls was fun, it was important to be careful and think about how to solve problems. Working together, even with a fluffy bunny, can help. Did you know that bunnies can wiggle their noses over 50 times a minute?
Please subscribe. Thank you.